Due to coronavirus outbreak, we should remain inside our home. Be patient, don't panic. We must break the chain. We must defeat it. We must win. Stay safe, stay at your home, or we cannot defeat coronavirus. Please take care. Bye. Hi friends, today I am going to show you a video how to improve our digestive system. First, take a look at my photo, which is upside down. Can you spot or find any difference? I am giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am rotating to a normal position. Now can you see? My eyes are upside down. My lips are also upside down. But our brain cannot spot the difference. So like this photo, when we are in stretch, no matter what we eat, our body cannot digest the food properly.
The human digestive system is directly impacted, not only by the foods we eat, but also the lifestyle we live. Stress, that is, causing worry or emotional tension, can wreak havoc on our digestive system. When stress hormones affects our brain, then it also impacts our digestion. At first we must be stress-free through meditation, relaxation, and exercise for a healthy digestive system, because nothing will work if our mind is full of tension and worries, no matter what we eat. In our primary school science book, we had read that digestion starts in our mouth when we chew the food with our teeth into smaller pieces, so that the enzymes in our digestive tract can break it down more easily. The people with poor chewing while taking food are worst sufferer from poor digestive system. In simple language, chewing food produces saliva, and when we chew our food properly for some time, then more saliva is produced in our mouth and enters our stomach with our food, then passes to our small intestine, which helps in digesting our food properly. When we have plenty of saliva produced while chewing food, it can prevent symptoms like indigestion and heartburn. We must always try to consume our every meals and snacks on a regular schedule, which can help our body to keep our digestive system in top shape. If you are a late night eater, then be ready for problems like heartburn and indigestion. Our body is designed in such a way that we should make good habit at which time we should eat our foods. During night time our body goes into repair mode and find it very difficult to digest meals if eaten in large quantities. In the morning hours, we should take heavy meal with carbohydrates food, as we need energy for the whole day, and during night hours, we should consume a very light meal to maintain a healthy digestive system. One should not sleep directly after having dinner, which can lead to indigestion problems. Drinking water is very good for our body, but many of us drink water while taking food. Some people need very small amount of water while having a dinner or lunch, and those people often have a very healthy digestion system. The people who consumes lots of water while having food used to have a poor digestion system. People who cannot consume food without water should drink mild hot water instead of cold water, which will help to digest the food properly without difficulties, because drinking cold water with food not only prevent the food from digesting properly, but also create other health-related problems. Try to avoid drinking water after having food, and wait for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Besides nutrients, fiber is also present in our food. Fiber is also known as roughage, because it has no food value, and cannot be digested. Fiber is very beneficial for proper functioning of the digestion system, by removing wastes out of the body, and it can also heal irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel conditions, reflux, ulcers, and hemorrhoids. So we should eat food such as brown rice, oatmeal, beet, carrot which are rich in fiber, for proper functioning of the digestion system. Exercising regularly helps keep foods moving through our digestive system, and it also prevents constipation. Without physical activity, we cannot have a perfect digestive system. So walk instead of riding your car, and bike. Some food like liquor, coffee, and cigarettes can interfere with the functioning of our digestive system. Lastly, the final word: always eat like a bird, for a super healthy digestive system. Eat like a bird means, eat food in small quantities at regular intervals, instead of consuming large amount of food.